Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. The deck is in very nice condition on it. There's no cracks or welds. The deck paint has been touched up, but it's in very good operating condition mechanically. It looks nice. The front tires are in good shape. The rear tires are brand new. It's got a 17 horsepower Kawasaki engine, pull start. It starts up and it runs and operates well. This is your console. Machine has 1,247 hours on the meter. You have your key switch, throttle, speed control, your blade engagement. These are your hydro pumps. They're in excellent operating condition, not leaking or anything. And this is the Exmark stand-on saw key that comes with it. This machine's in very good operating condition. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.